Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 234,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.